Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how we can install Google Classroom app in Android mobiles. For this, first of all, you have to open Play Store, then type here Google Classroom. Then install Google Classroom from Play Store. Click on install. Now after installation, just click on open. Now Google Classroom apps open. Click on get started. To use this you need to have Google Gmail account. Now I have already Google Gmail account, so I'll click here. Otherwise you have to create new Gmail account. Now it has been starting. When this menu opens, now you have three straight lines. That is the menu of this Google Classroom app. Now let us click on this menu button of Google Classroom. When we click here, you will have some options given here like classes, calendar, notifications and others. Now you can see in the case calendar different dates of the classroom dates that teachers has been created. Now again you can see the notification button. From here you can get the alert before the class is started. When the class is going to start, then you can get the alert from here. Now let us click here in this plus menu to create the class, to join now, or to join the class. Now let us join the class that is provided by the teacher. Now here gives the blank. Now in this blank we need to type a code of the class that is provided by the teacher. Now I have made an example code for the class. Let us type that code here. This is the example. After typing this, I click on the join. Now you can have a classroom here. Now here is questions. You can see the class works. The people can join here. Then stream is given there. Now I click in this class. Now if you want to ask some questions over here, you can just type here. By clicking here, now you can ask the question. For example, the teacher name is also given. Now in the classwork you can see what classwork is given by the teacher. Now you can ask the question to the teacher. For example, I have written here, what is mean by value of G on Earth's surface is 9.8 meter per second square. Now after asking this question, you can get the answer from teacher also, or you can have a discussion with your friends who are in the classroom. Now you can see here, you can have a chat between your friends, you can interact with your teachers, you can consult new questions, and you can get daily assignments from the teachers from this app. It is very useful for the students. From this app you can also see how many students are reading in the classroom by clicking this people button. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.